Hello everyone and welcome back to the Andy Wilkins YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another tier list, but this time I'm rating the Doctor Who companions from 1963 to 1996. As you can see here, there is all of the classic companions, including Sara Kingdom with the Brigadier and a few others. Basically, I've sat through literally all minus one or two episodes featuring the classic series, which I'm a massive fan of. So I'm going to be looking at the televised companions. This doesn't include any of the audio companions, so as a result the likes of Lucy Miller and Elvin Smythe won't be included basically. But this should be a very quick sort of video, so I suppose let's go with it. So as you can see, I've got excellent, very good, good, okay and bad. I might go into depth with some of these, I might not. So I'm going to start off first with Susan. Susan, I don't mind. I think she's an alright companion. The problem with it was that she was quite screamy, which I do hope if Susan was to ever return in a future episode, hopefully they'd sort of curb that and learn, you know what, we don't really need that. Barbara was very good, a lot more better than what Susan was, which is always, she was very smart with her history, so to speak. And you then got Ian, who I believe was just pure excellent, so to speak. In fairness, he made the duo of Ian and Barbara worked really well. Vicky was really quite good, but then it's hard to distinguish where she fits because she was technically Susan's replacement. So I'm actually going to place her in very good because I had no issues with her. I found her episodes really quite enjoyable. Stephen goes into excellent because again and this isn't just the fact that I've watched him in several episodes, but also I listened to Mother Russia, which he did, which the actor Peter Purves did, and Stephen is just phenomenal with it. Katarina is going to go into bad because I've sat through the Daleks Master Plan, I've sat through the recon of the Mythmakers, and I just can't find it enough to go, okay, Katarina is any good. Sara Kingdom, it's a shame about her because I like her a lot. However, because of she featured in the Daleks Master Plan, she then died at the end of the Daleks Master Plan. It doesn't sit with me well. On to Dodo. I compare her to Katarina. Dodo isn't a problem, but I just couldn't like her. I just couldn't like the companion that much. I just thought there's something about this that I just couldn't get my head around. For Polly, massive very good, very good. Annika Wills, who plays Polly, did a fantastic job with how she was. Quite different to any of these sort of young sort of female companions that the show had ever had, really, and that's sort of a very good point. Ben is a weird one. I'm going to put him in okay because I felt when I was watching him like in the Patrick Charlton stories, I just felt like as if, to an extent, it was almost like as if he didn't want to be there for me personally, and that's what I don't like. Jamie goes into excellent. When you do 3 seasons worth of, Doctor Who stories, or 2.5, so to speak, it's just, it was monumentally brilliant, Victoria is actually going to go into very good because, again, I thought I really liked her. I thought her stories were fantastic. And then you've then got Zoe, who I'm actually going to put into good. I rated the Jamie and Victoria vibe more than what I did the Jamie and Zoe vibe. The Brigadier, he's going to go into excellent because of just how good he was, regardless. Sergeant Benton, he's going to go into very good because of the loyalty side of it all. Liz is going to go good because Liz is a weird one because I sort of like her, but I sort of don't like her to that extent. But she was good enough for the season that she was in for. Joe, utterly brilliant, cannot fault him enough. Mike Yates was okay. He was he was good. He had his problems. Sarah Jane, yeah, very good. Can't fault enough. Harry, I'm gonna put in good because he was quite different from any of the other male companions I felt, to an extent, even more different than Ben, so to speak. Leela, I really liked, especially for being Sarah Jane's replacement. Really liked Leela. K9, he was okay. Really didn't find that having K9 was that suitable. Romana 1 was really good, very smart, but however, that was what sort of off-put me with it, so to speak. Romana 2, very good, excellent, deserves the top tier. Adric, weirdly enough, Adric is going to go to good, because I do like what he offers. He is a bit annoying to an extent, but I sort of accept that for him being so fresh-faced and quite young. Nissa, excellent, cannot fault enough. Tegan, excellent, again. Turlo is going to go very. Nah, you know what? Turlo's actually going to go okay, really, because I was thinking about it and I thought Turlo, like, whilst he's good, he does clash with the Doctor a lot more than what even Adric clashed with the Doctor, in fairness. And that's what I sort of dislike. Chameleon, in bad, simple as really. Perry, I rather like. Is she good enough to take over? Yeah, she's in it. No, you know what? Perry's going to go in very good because I thought, Perry for me, I like what she brought to the show. And then you then have Mel, who was quite good, very different to Perry by all accounts. Very screamy, as we all know. But, again, I enjoyed watching Mel. And you then have Ace, who is just phenomenal. And then you then have, I believe it was Grace. She's not bad by any means. I think near enough she was okay, having sat through the movie. I just think, I can see why she didn't want to join the Doctor in the TARDIS. But, it's one of the things. But this is my classic companions 1963 to 1996 tier list. So if you have enjoyed watching this, if you've got different contrasting views, then please feel free to let me know. As always, feel free to please like, share and subscribe for more content on my YouTube channel. So that is all from me, folks. What would you have changed? Is there anything you would have changed? Is there anything you would have changed? Honestly, all comments are massively welcome. But yeah, that's all from me, folks. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.